Alright, here we are, Lake Rudolph. We have the basic trailer. I'm going to give you guys a quick review and walk in. See for yourself what it's really like. Keep in mind this is a basic trailer. This is, you know, if you're trying to save some cash. I'll take you for a look around this park too. This campground once we're done here. But here's the basic trailer. Show you how it looks in here. Walk in, here's your little living room kitchen area. The fridge is amazing. Quite large. Freezer, no ice maker. Not that you'd expect that here. We used the oven every night. It worked great. Normal microwave, everything you'd expect. Plenty of storage. They do come with your plates, your utensils and silverware and whatnot is all in here. You don't need to bring that. You do not need to bring paper towel. They do supply some. They supply the toilet paper. Let's go check the first little bedroom area. It sleeps 4. You do need to bring your linens, your bed sheets, and your blankets. The air conditioning in here is amazing. It cranks if you need it. And there's heat, obviously. You will need, like I said, blankets and pillows and whatnot. Those that slept on these beds said they were actually quite comfortable for what they are. So, you know, this isn't a 5-star resort. It's a very basic trailer, but they slept great. In fact, one of the guys that we were with here, he snores every night. Normally, he didn't snore on those beds. Go figure. All right. In here is the bathroom, which we'll then walk also through to the main bedroom. Shower. Here's your shower. Not bad for a trailer once again. It's fine. It's clean. Toilet. Me. Baseboard heat. And then here is the master bedroom, I guess you'd call it. This is a bed protector, mattress protector. It's not gross. It's not dirty. You'll need your sheets, of course, to get in here. And there's plenty of space. Plenty of space in here. Also, you have your own air conditioning in here as well, so you can keep this at a different temperature. So there you go. I mean, it's basic. It's basic as it gets, but I'll tell you this right now. We give this place 5 stars. I highly recommend it if you're on a budget right now or you just don't want to spend a bunch of money on a vacation over in Santa Claus, Indiana. This is the way to go. I don't know exactly what we paid, but it was half the cost of a hotel room, and we have our own place with our own privacy to do our own things. You will need to bring your towels for the bathroom, and if you're going to the water park or whatnot, they do not supply towels, so make sure you bring your towels. Highly, highly recommended. We will be back here many, many more times. This is our first day. If you'd care to see what the rest of the campground looks like, I will add that in right now. We're gonna go take a little ride. Here's the back of the trailer, which you won't really see, but they do have fresh water hookup and sewage, so you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. You got your sewage, you got your toilets, you got your water. We took plenty of hot showers, had no issues with any of those. Also should mention that Lake Rudolph has its own Wi-Fi. It's free, it's included. We did use it. It's as you would expect from free Wi-Fi. It's not great if you needed to look something up to get the job done, but don't, if you're trying to work from your campsite or trailer, which you shouldn't be doing on vacation anyway, it probably won't work. It's kind of slow, but it does include free Wi-Fi. You got your fireplace here. Obviously it's not set up. Just kick it over, put the grate on it, and you'll also have in the back here, you will have a grill. Where's ours at? There's our grill at. Again, nothing fancy, but it totally gets the job done. No complaints from ours. Besides it being a little crooked, but you know, nothing you can't fix. There's your grill. If you don't like that kind of grill, make sure you bring your own. So before we jump in the car, this is the street we were at here at Camp Rudolph. This is Cupid. Lane, I believe it is. There's a water park here, camping store. We'll go take a look.
Left here?
What road is this?
Accessible.
Here's your wheelchair accessible cabins. Great parking.
That's steep.
The one that Keebler's car bottomed out on?
Yeah. You got some work there. Yeah, these are nice. They're huge ducks.
There's a little bit of their water park. This is not Holiday World. This is actually slides here at the campground. There's your regular pool.
Basketball courts.
Basketball show, sports park. There's your RVs. These are the RV pull-in spots. Also, you can bring your semi here if you want to pull your trailer. Look at that bad boy. We didn't touch on because we didn't have time. There's a dog park,
You ready for checkout?
volleyball, and the lake. It's not a big lake. It's more like a pond, but it's a lake. There's Holiday World in the background. There's the water park, Splash and Safari. We're right on top of it, which is nice. However, you can't really walk to it just the way it's laid out. It's still a long walk. That's something you're probably going to want to do. Tent sites. Overall, this is a great campground. I would highly recommend it. It's nice, it's quiet, very family orientated. The cabins and trailers are, you're not on top of each other. There's room for yard games. And here comes the checkout. Let's see. I said I wasn't going to film it, but I'm going to film it. I'm going to film it anyway. And there you go. There's checkout. Enjoy Holiday World and Lake Rudolph. Adios.